To be able to view your equipment types held at your business locations, simply go to Equipment List within your dashboard. By simply clicking on View underneath the Equipment List section, you'll be directed to the required area. Once you are in this area, you will need to fill in the following fields to be able to view the intended report, which are Site and Group Location. Once you have chosen from the drop-down boxes, you'll be able to view a preview of the results by clicking on View Preview. Alternatively, you can click on Generate PDF to be able to get an exported file saved to your personal downloads folder.